Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change your keyboard background in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first thing, you have to install a third-party app. For that, you can simply get to your app store and from here tap on the search bar and search for keyboard. So after searching for keyboard here, you'll be getting multiple different options. Here you can see Grammarly, Facemoji, and many more. For now, I'm simply just going to use Google Keyboard. So here you can see, tap on it and simply install this on your phone. Here you can see I have already installed it. So you can simply tap on open after the installation just like this. And then you can see the option of get started. Simply tap on get started and this will take you to the settings of your phone, from which you'll have to tap on keyboards right here and then tap on Gboard in order to enable it, and then tap on allow full access too. So after doing that, tap on allow one more time. And now from here, you can go back and simply open your keyboard. For example, I'm going to open my notes application in here and open my keyboard. Here you can see we have now successfully switched to Google Keyboard. If you have not yet switched to Google Keyboard, you'll have to tap on this globe-like icon right here. And you can simply switch it to Google Keyboard. Here you can see I have switched it to the iPhone keyboard again. If I tap on it one more time, I'm back to the Google Keyboard. So in order to change your background, now what you're going to do is long press on this gear-like icon right here, like this, and then drag your finger to the settings right here. Then we'll get to the settings of your Google Keyboard, and from here tap on themes. After doing that, here you can see we can get multiple different themes. Here you can get the landscapes option. Here you can get a lot of different options. I'm going to choose this particular right here. So I'm going to tap on this background and then I have successfully selected it. If you still want to customize this one, you can again tap on it. And here you can get multiple different options in order to customize it. So when you're done with it, you can tap on done option right here. And just like this, if you go back and open your keyboard, just like this, here you can see we have successfully changed our keyboard background in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.